Students, we have question. It's of profit and loss. Let's read the question. What the question tells is, Mrs. Dhital makes a profit of 50% of the cost of her investment in the transaction of her cosmetic items. She further increases her cost of investment by 25%, but the selling price remains the same. How much is the decrease in her profit percent? Yes, this is the reason why most of you are here, because you might be getting the answer of 50%, but that's wrong. So let's see how we will solve it. But okay, let me explain you what the question tells it. That suppose Mrs. Dhital invests something money in the business of her cosmetic items. Okay, now the how much he invest of that, it is 50% he is getting profit. Suppose like she is investing Rs 100 rupees, so her profit is like 50% of Rs 100. So we can solve it by letting x also, or by assuming that our investment is Rs 100. So I will solve it by in assuming that our investment is Rs 100. Okay, so I will also solve by letting it x. First I will solve it by making let of investment of Rs 100. Okay, so let's see here solution. Let investment amount be equals to Rs 100. Okay, so investment amount is 100, and the question tells is she is making a profit of 50% of the cost of her investment. That our profit will be profit amount, it will be like 50% of Rs 100, which is Rs 50. You can solve it. So our therefore selling price will be equals to investment amount plus profit amount, is that CP plus profit. Okay, so it will be our 100 plus 50 equals to Rs 150. Now according to question, now what the question tells here is, let's see it carefully. The question tells she further increases her cost of investment by 25%. Is that our investment amount was Rs 100 at the beginning. Now her investment is increased by 25%, but the selling price remains the same. Okay, so what here we will see is our investment was 100. Okay, so in this investment it is increased. I will write it here. New investment amount equals to how much? 25%. Increase by 25%. Is that 100 plus 25% of 100? If you will solve it, you will get Rs 125. Okay, so now our investment money is increased by 25%. Is that total our new investment amount is equals to Rs 125. Okay, now see the second line. What the question tells here is, but the selling price remains the same. Okay, what was our previous selling price? The previous selling price was our 150. So here also the new previous selling price was new selling price also remains the same. So new selling price, according to question, the new selling price is 150 only. There was no incremental selling price amount equals to Rs 150. Okay, so our now from this we have to calculate what is our new profit percent. Okay, so after calculating the new profit percent, we will decrease the profit percent. Okay, so let's see how we will do that. So from here our profit percentage equals to selling price minus investment amount upon investment amount into 100%. Okay, so now new selling price is selling price is same, like 150, and the investment amount is 125. So you will do 150 minus 125 upon 125 into 100%. If you solve it, we will get like 25 upon 25, it is like 5 to 20%. Okay, so now see, our initial profit percent was 50%. Okay, so initial, I will show you better way. Initial profit percent was our how much? 50%, and the new profit percent is 20%. We calculated it, now the question tells is how much is the decrease in the profit percent. So therefore decrease in profit percent is equals to 50% minus 20%, is that 30%. Okay, so the question here, it is asked this 30%. The question, according to question, we have to find this 30%. Okay, not you will subtract the profit amount. Otherwise, if you subtract the profit amount, you will get the answer called 50%. So you will not do that here. We will just subtract the profit percentage. What was our initial profit percentage? Like that, initial profit percentage was 50%. Okay, so now new profit percent we got 20%. So we will subtract that 50% minus 20%, and that is our new, that is decrease in the profit percentage. Okay, now I am solving it by assuming our x, by letting x. Okay, so it is also very easy. So what is our initial investment? That will be our cost price CP. So initial investment be x, and it is telling that profit of 50%, that profit amount is our 0.5x. 50% of x, that is 0.5x, and our selling price will be how much? Selling price is equals to cost price plus profit, is that 1x plus 0.5x, it will becomes our 1.5x. and new, according to new, what is tell, after the increase in investment by 25%, rather investment is increased by 25%, it means cost price is increased by 25%. Okay, so our new investment will be 1.25x. Okay, and here tells the selling price remains the same. So what you will do, selling price will be, what was our initial selling price? 1.5x. so our initial present selling price will also be 1.5x. and what will be our profit amount? That is SP minus CP, is that 1.5x minus 1.25x, is that our 0.25x. okay, so this much we will get. And what we will do after it is that initial our profit percent was here how much? Okay, let me write it. Profit percent initially, according to question, there was 50% profit. Okay, but now our profit percent will be how much? So in this we will calculate our profit percent. For that we will do profit amount by CP into 100%. 0.25 upon 1.25 into 100%. This will becomes our, like if you solve it, it will get 0.25 divided by 1.25, you will get like 20%. Okay, so you will do here, our new profit percent is 20%. so that now our decrease in profit percent will be 50% minus 20%, that is 30%. Okay, by this way you can solve it. You will not do that 0.5 minus 0.25 upon 0.5, that is wrong. Okay, so you will not use this, we will use profit percentage. So here what we have calculated? Profit percentage. So 50% minus 25%, sorry 20%, that is our 30% answer. Okay, thank you very much.